Hello everyone and welcome. Now this year I've been taking part in the PropTart Secret Santa. Now the PropTarts are the fan group associated with Punished Props with Bill and Brittany Duran. You can check out them here on YouTube, and the PropTart group is on Facebook. Now on there you can sign up and be part of their Secret Santa. This usually happens in about the summertime. And yes, I've been building for someone else and I have sent that off. That is winging its way to them. But I have received mine. Today is December the 20th, which is the official day of opening all these gifts, and it's time to open what I've got. It is here, so let's get opening. So this is what I've received. I did open it a little bit and had a look, and I saw a letter in the top saying it was my Secret Santa, because I get a lot of boxes, so I wasn't sure what this was. But yeah, this is my Secret Santa, so let's unbox it. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm going to do it down here. On top, I have a letter. Okay, I'm going to read it to you. Season's greetings, fellow PropTart. I hope my offerings meet your approval. Here you have Hiccup's helmet from How to Train Your Dragon. I'm already excited. And not only that, the DC-15S blaster from Star Wars, which is the short clone blaster. 3D printed in PLA, and it was printed in multiple pieces, assembled and painted back in July when I had some annual leave from work. There will be progress pics on my Facebook and Instagram. Please feel free to follow me on those. The Littlest Prop Shop. Of course, I'm going to check them out. The Littlest Prop Shop. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and may your making be awesome in 2020. All the best from the Littlest Prop Shop. Oh, I'm excited now. I am excited. Let's have a look. Oh my god. How awesome is that? Oh my god. That is really cool. Look. Hiccup's helmet. I don't know if I might be able to get it on. I have a very big head. I can try it. Okay, that's not quite going to go on my large head, but that is very awesome. It's very awesome. Set that there. There. My goodness. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my god. Yes. I'm so pleased I took part in this Secret Santa. I mean, you get someone build you something amazing. They spend their own time doing it, and yeah, this is very, very cool. Of course, I have been building for someone too, and incidentally, I don't think it's the same person, so it looks like you get a chain of people. And of course, I have filmed the build process of that, and that'll be up very soon. I'm going to keep it a secret now in case they haven't opened it yet, but it will be going up in the near future of that build. It's just so cool. I am genuinely so glad I took part in this, and I do encourage you to take part next year. In about the summer, you can sign up and get to build something for someone and have something built for you. It's a very nice surprise, and you get something cool to add to your collection and get to build something for someone else, which is equally as fun. I will have my build video up very soon, and I will see you there. So until then, take care. Bye bye.